The issue arises when the user tries to AirPlay content from an Apple product to a Sony TV but fails to do so. In some cases, the Sony TV is even not shown as a device in AirPlay. You can fix AirPlay by trying the methods in this guide. But before that, make sure you fulfill the basic troubleshooting steps. Make sure that your AirPlay-compatible devices are turned on and near each other. Restart the devices that you want to use with AirPlay or screen mirroring. Method 1. Accepting the privacy policy. On your Sony TV's remote, press the Help button and on the Help screen go to Status and Diagnostics. Select Privacy Settings. On the Privacy Policy screen, scroll down to the very bottom of the policy and agree to a minimum Sony Smart TV services. Selecting Agree to All is also an option. Method 2. Check that the devices are updated to the latest software and are on the same Wi-Fi network. Method 3. Re-enable AirPlay in the Sony TV's settings. You can try Disable AirPlay then re-enable AirPlay and check if the AirPlay is working fine. If things don't go well, you can try to factory reset all devices.